Not sure how to use your Midea AC Remote? Model number RG10B1E. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Midea AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating based on room temperature. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. The Set button confirms and locks in your selected settings, such as timer, mode, or temperature, so the appliance operates according to your chosen preferences. The OK button works like a final confirmation key. After selecting or adjusting settings, such as temperature, timer, or swing direction, press OK to execute the command. Press the clock button to set the current time on your Midea AC Remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Want cool air in every corner? Hit the swing button. It moves the air vents up and down, spreading airflow evenly across the room for all-around comfort. The Fresh button activates a quick refresh or ventilation mode, helping to circulate air and maintain a clean, fresh environment. Press the Turbo button to activate rapid cooling or heating at maximum fan speed. This feature quickly brings the room to your desired temperature in less time. Press the LED button to turn the display light on the indoor unit on or off. It's useful at night when you want to reduce brightness without affecting AC performance. The Clean button starts the appliance's self-cleaning cycle, helping to remove dust or moisture buildup to keep airflow fresh and ensure optimal performance. To lock the Midea AC Remote, press and hold the Clean and Turbo buttons together. This stops any accidental changes until you unlock it. Press and hold the Temperature Down arrow button and the Mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Midea AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.